My name is Trevor and this is my senior exit project. Clicker.
It's the arrow on the side. There you go.
A little bit about me. I was born May 7, 2001. I love to play video games. I love to go outside with my family and spend time with them. I'm the youngest of two older brothers, Matt and Dalton. It's my vision board. I would love to have video games in my life. I love them so much. I don't know where else I would be without them. I would love to have kids someday, and yeah, I would love to travel. That would be a great thing to do. House, maybe sometime in the future, just raise enough money up for me and get a house. I would love to have a Chevy Malibu. I love that car. I drive it all the time. My mom has one. Tear it up. I would love to be somewhat stable, you know? Yeah, something like that. And I would love to start an apprenticeship in the future for like trade school or something like that. This is my friends and family. My brother Matt is right there, and Dalton, that's me, that's little me. I love me so much. Oh. Me and Jasmine for prom, pretty much all of it. I love her so much. She's the best thing in the world to me. My mom, Danny. Danny just came into my life about last year during the summer. He's a good man. Congratulations on the wedding. Cover letter and resume. Wrote my cover letter to the construction company in Corona. I don't know. I thought I was going to go on a job shadow, but I guess not because it got canceled twice. So that's fine. Family tree, not that big. Yeah, not really. Community service hours. I did a lot of community service with like a lot of different things. I helped the janitor clean some rooms, wipe some desks off. I did a lot of yard work with my mom, Danny, my brother, and Josh. I helped out the JV baseball team with practice. I really appreciated it. High school and senior project experience. It wasn't that fun. Kind of hated it, but it is what it is. You gotta do what you gotta do. I didn't like my first 2 years of high school. I didn't enjoy any of it. It wasn't a very good experience for me. I was bullied and picked on for most of it. It is what it is, you know. Nothing really made me happy until I started coming out of my shell and starting to talk to people about what happened and stuff. Senior project, get everything done, please. Don't be like me and just wait. Just get every single thing done, please. That's all. That's it. My interview, I did my interview, and Danny, he's pretty good at construction. He knows what he's doing. Yeah, thank you. Happiness requires struggles. That's what I have. Happiness is kind of like, it just requires really just a lot of struggles. Like you can't be happy unless you have struggles in your life. Like, car breaks down. That's not happiness, is it? But when it gets fixed, it's happy. You must do struggles to fix it. You know what I'm saying? Inspirational person, The Rock, Dwayne Johnson. I actually met him once in LA with my brother Dalton and my mom, and he was pretty cool. I love that guy. One time I swore at him. It was not a good idea. Future plans, I am undecided what I want to do, but I'm pretty sure what I want to do is to go to a straight school and start an apprenticeship program. That's basically it. My life will change so much more with what I have in my heart and what I want to do with my life. So many responsibilities for me and roles that I can be a better person in my life. Oh, Danny, I love you, man.
Love you too, bud.
I don't know what else to say. You do everything for me. Put food on the table, keep a roof over my head. Only known you for a year. We're already bonding like best friends. You were my rock, dude.
Always be there for
And my mom couldn't make it because she has to do stuff with my grandma. But she's a hard-working woman. She has a lot of things that I can't really imagine. Like, she's so strong. I love her so much, and I thank her for a lot of things. And yeah, that's my PSA. My PSA is about causes of World War I and about how America got involved in it and what we could have done better. I don't know. Come on, raise your hands. Come on. Come on. Somebody. Hannah.
Why did you take your research papers on that topic?
I don't know. I felt like it. Mr. Howard pointed it out, and I was like, sure. So I love playing video games with war and stuff. Very interesting. Gabby.
What motivated you to come out of your shell?
Jasmine. She basically helped me come out of my shell.
Aww.
At the end of my junior year, it was pretty hard for me. I love you. Sarah?
Would you ever consider like working in something in history? I mean, it seems like you quite enjoy like history and war, or like no, not like history stuff, but like war stuff. I mean,
Maybe. I'll think about that when I get out of high school. Yeah. Kyle?
What's something that you did enjoy about high school? What's something that has taught you?
I don't know. I mean, I don't really have anything that taught me. I mean, just
Go back to your 3-word essay.
a 3-word essay. Happiness, I mean, requires struggles. It taught me a lot to just be happy. Sometimes you get struggles in high school. I was happy, and then I got struggles from like my grades or something because I didn't do my work or something like that. I failed a test, and that's all the time.
Olivia has her hand up.
Yeah, Olivia.
What's something that you would change about firing
Ooh. It's like 2 things I could change. I would change. Put metal detectors on the bathroom doors. You know what I'm saying?
The requirement.
And I would change a lot of things about the teachers worrying about their students, about how they're getting bullied or picked on or anything like that. Just worry about that type of stuff.
Do we have a problem with students taking guns into the bathroom?
No,
Days.
I'm like, there's people.
And metal detectors get baked?
Yes. I have my window.
Oh, okay. All right, nice job. Let's give my hand.